Today I'm going to give you a closer look at this amazing phone. It's the OnePlus Open by Hasselblad, and I just want you to take a close look at this. This is the phone itself, right? So makes sense, normal smartphone, tons of cameras on the back, flash, you got your screen right here. Everything looks normal. You can swipe, you know, this is just a standard phone. But then you open it and that's what you get. How insane is that? That is your phone. So now you open this up and it's basically like a full tablet. I mean, how crazy is this? You got your cameras, everything forward facing, just absolutely incredible. Super cool. Camera right there, video camera. You can turn it sideways, this way. Just absolutely beautiful, beautiful phone. Look at that. Not even that thick. Feels good in the hand. USB-C charging, stereo speakers on top. I mean, what is a video gonna sound like on here? Just so cool. And then let me just show you that bend if you're curious. As you bend, that crystal folds closed. How crazy is that? I'll give you a few different angles here. And it really just, it does not affect the screen at all. There's no seam in the middle or anything. It feels smooth. They've really perfected this technology, and then when you close it, you're back to your standard phone. I'll give you an idea of the thickness right there. Really not that thick. If I hold up like a Mac, an Apple phone, not much difference. This is an Apple 14 Pro Max, and look at that. Not that much of a thickness difference in order to get all of those screens that you're getting. So what a cool concept, cool design, and just incredible phone.